Hello everyone, today we're gonna see a comparison between Cash App versus PayPal. Starting with Cash App, originally known for peer-to-peer money transfers. Cash App also lets users buy and sell Bitcoin directly within the app. It's super easy to use, perfect for beginners. You can invest with just a few taps, and funds are pulled straight from your balance to a linked bank account. What makes Cash App great is its simplicity. There's no complicated interface, no learning curve, and you can even withdraw Bitcoin to a personal wallet, which a lot of other beginner apps don't offer. However, it only supports Bitcoin, no Ethereum, Solana, or any other cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about PayPal. PayPal is one of the oldest, most trusted payment platforms around. It's accepted by millions of online merchants and supports international transfers, invoicing, and even paying for installment payments. It also has features for freelancers, online sellers, and business owners. While PayPal does not offer crypto buying and selling, it doesn't allow crypto withdrawals to external wallets like Cash App does, but it does have a strong buyer and seller protection, which makes it ideal for e-commerce. So, choose Cash App if you're focused on simplicity, investing, and personal payments in the US, or go with PayPal if you want a wide online acceptance, international capabilities, and business-friendly features. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.